Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this lesson, we will read some words for the sake of practice. We will apply all the rules which we have already learned in previous lessons. While reading this lesson, we will discuss some rules of stop sign. Let's start our lesson. Keep in your mind, you have to be focused on pronunciation of each letter and the rules which we have learned. Ta'in fatha ta, ba dhamma bu, ta'bu, dal waw dhamma bu. This is waw madda. Ta'budu, nun fatha na, ta'buduna. Only this dal is stretchy. You have to stretch dal dhamma. Do, this is dal waw dhamma. Do, stretch it. Ta'buduna, ain comes from throat. Ta'buduna, hamza noon fatha an, ain mim fatha am. This is an, this is am. Ta fatha ta, an'amta. This is the difference between the sound of hamza and ain. Hamza comes from mouth and ain comes from throat. An'amta, an'amta. Hamza noon fatha an. Orange color is for ikhfa. An. Dal ra fatha dhar. Dal is a soft letter and ra is in green color, so it is bold. Anzar noon alif fatha na, alif madda. Anzar na. Hamza noon fatha an. Za lam fatha zal. Anzal noon alif fatha na. Anzalna. Ain ba kasra ib, ra fatha ra, ib ra, ta to dhamma tun, ibratun. Blue color is for echo. Yes, echo sound letter. Ibratun. Za jim zabar, zaj, zaj, echo. Ra fatha ra, zaj ra, ta to dhamma tun, zajratun. Ta dal fatha tad, kaf kasra ki, tadki, ra fatha ra, tadkira, ta to dhammatun, tadkiratun. Mim sin dhamma mus, fazir fi, musfi, ra fatha ra, musfira, ta to dhammatun, musfiratun. Mim hamza dhamma mu. Hamza has got jazm sign, so you have to give shock. Mu. And wow doesn't matter here. This is hamza. Mu. Sad fatha sa. Mu. Sa. Dal fatha da. Mu. Sada. Tal. Ta to dhammatun. This is ta to dhamma. And this is round ta. Because of this stop sign, this circle is basically a stop sign. This circle means you have to make stop here. So because of this stop sign, you have to convert round ta into ha. Round ta into ha and read that ha with jazm sign. Remove these movements from this ta and put jazm sign and convert this ta into ha. Then it would be dal ha fatha, dal ha fatha, muqsadah, muqsadah. This is the way to read round ta at the end of word when there is a stop sign after that word. Muqsadah, ta converts into ha and movement converts into jazm sign. Mim sin fatha mas, ghain fatha gha, mas gha, ba fatha ba, mas ghaba, ta to kasratin, mas ghabatin. Mim qaf fatha maq, ra fatha ra, maqra, ba fatha ba, maqraba, ta to kasratin, maqrabatin. Tasin fatha tas, noon ya kasra ni, ya madda. You have to stretch. Tasni, Meme to kasra min. This is meme to kasra min, but look, there is a circle. Circle means you have to make stop. Yes, this is stop sign. So whenever there is a stop sign, you have to read last letter without movement. This is a general rule. You have to read last letter with jazm sign. Yes, you have to convert movements into jazm sign. This is a general rule, but for round ta, this rule is different. So it would be tasneem, tasneem. We are reading meme with jazm sign. Tasneem, only sound of meme will be pronounced at the end of word. Meme sin kasra mis, kaf ya kasra ki, miski, noon to fatha nan, miskinan, meme fatha mam, noon waw dhamma nu, mamnu, noon to kasra nin, mamnunin, meme ha fatha mah, fa waw dhamma fu, mahfu, ظا to kasra zin, mahfuzin, meme kha fatha makh, ta waw dhamma tu, makhtu, meme to kasra min, makhtumin, meme sin fatha mas, ra waw dhamma ru, masru, ra to fatha ran. This is ra to fatha ran, but there is a stop sign. I told you that general rule is that when there is a stop sign, you have to read last letter without movement. You have to change movements into jazm sign. But here in this word, last letter is without movement. Last letter is alif. Ra is not last letter is alif, and there is no movement on alif. Nothing is on alif. So when the last letter has nothing and the second last letter has got two fatha, you have to skip one fatha from that and read with one fatha, and you have to stretch for 1 second as well. So you have to read ra alif fatha ra. You have to skip one zabar only. It would be masrura, masrura. Just skip one fatha from ra. This is the way to read when last letter has nothing. So that's all for this video. We'll see you in the next video with our next lesson. Allah Hafiz.